During the BMW Group Annual Conference 2023 held in mid-March, the luxury brand announced plans to launch an iX2 as a new member of the growing EV portfolio. Speaking with German enthusiast magazine Bimmer Today, the head of the Regensburg factory revealed series production will commence by the end of the year. The electric crossover is going to be assembled alongside the conventionally shaped iX1 at the plant located in eastern Bavaria. To make it happen, BMW is investing more than €350 million, $385 million at current exchange rates, and hiring approximately 500 new workers. As early as 2024, the automaker estimates at least one-third of all vehicles produced in Regensburg will be EVs, with the other two-thirds representing conventionally powered X1s and X2s. The former is also available with a variety of plug-in hybrid powertrains. BMW remains tight-lipped about the new X2, but we do know it's going to adopt a completely different design. Gone will be the raised hatchback look, as spy shots have shown prototypes sending a mini X6 vibe by following the coupe SUV formula made popular by the Munich-based brand. Aside from having a new yet familiar shape, the X2, codenamed U10, is likely to be much larger than its predecessor. The gasoline/diesel X2 and electric iX2 versions will look virtually the same, since it won't be until 2025 when BMW will begin to launch EVs on a dedicated platform by rolling out the new E-Class. Despite the electric onslaught, there will still be an ICE-powered top model with M Performance branding. Likely coming in 2024, the X2 M35i will have over 300 horsepower from a turbocharged 2.0-liter gasoline engine. The iX2 should mirror the iX1 in terms of technical specification, so the initial version should be an xDrive 30e with 313 horsepower and 494 Nm, 364 lb-ft, of torque from a pair of electric motors. Chances are BMW is working on lesser iX1 and iX2 flavors with a single motor, front-wheel drive setup. Will the iX2 come to the United States? It's hard to say at this point, but let's hope that it does, considering BMW has surprisingly decided against bringing the iX1.
Subscribe to the channel so as not to miss new publications.